Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate design links with bit.ly branded links. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the bit.ly website. Log into your bit.ly account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Click on the Links tab in the main menu. Select Create Link to start the process. In the destination URL field, enter the link you want to shorten. Now, look for the option labeled Customize Link. Here, you can create a unique alias for your link. This alias will help make your link more recognizable. Next, navigate to Branding Settings. Switch on the option for branded links if it isn't already enabled. Ensure your custom domain is set up for branding. If you haven't set up a branded domain, follow the prompts to complete this. Once your branding is confirmed, review your customized link. Check that everything looks correct before finalizing. Click the Save button to generate your bit.ly branded link. You can now share your newly created branded link confidently. This link not only tracks clicks but also reinforces your brand identity. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated your design links with bit.ly branded links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.